Hello everyone, happy Valentine's Day. I hope you're well. I hope you're practicing some self-love, self-care today because you deserve it. Today we're opening up another tarot subscription. Yesterday we opened up Nine of Earth in case you missed that. And today we're opening up the Mystic Tarot Box, and this is by Awakening in a Box. I've opened this before, but it's been a little while, so I'm really excited to have it again. And I did cut the top open and I peeked. I couldn't help it, I got last night. So it looks like it's good. So every month you get a tarot box, a tarot deck, I guess it's in a box, a tarot deck, and then a few other items as well. I have my phone here because I wanted to remember my other phone. I'm filming on my new phone. This is my old one. I think it's $48.90 a month. I will link them down below. There is a code, $48.99. There is a code that says use Awakening23 for a special discount, or they also have a 50% off your first box if you subscribe for 3 months. So I get mine through Cratejoy. I will link the Cratejoy site down below. And yeah, let's get started. So it came in this bag here. And the main reason why I grabbed my phone to for the video is because they now have like digital inserts. It says it right here. Let's see. Awakening in a Box has decided to switch to digital notes for all of our subscriptions. This is a necessary step to save us from having to increase our prices and to create less waste in our shipments. We have emailed you the printable, detailed note and art cards. These are also available on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Thanks for understanding. I don't mind that at all. So let's take a look what it says here. So I screenshotted it. It says, welcome to the Mystic Tarot subscription. This shipment contains 1 tarot deck, 1 crystal, and 2 products. The shipment this month is part of our best of collection. It contains one of our subscribers' absolute favorite tarot decks. We hope you love it as much as they have. Also in your shipment are 2 best of products that have been well loved by our subscribers. Use these to further your practice and your connection with your higher self and guides. The crystal this month retails for over $10. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for tips on reading tarot cards and using your crystal. We would like to thank you again for being a seeker of truth and enlightenment, and of course being a part of Awakening in a Box. Love and light. And then I didn't take a screenshot of the art print, but it says let your intuition guide you, I believe. So yeah, let's get started. How about we start off with the main thing, the tarot deck. And this looks really cool. It's the Napo Tarot. It looks like very quirky and cool. So this is by Betty Lopez and it's illustrated by Napo. And Napo is a like famous Argentinian artist. So I think that's super cool. So here's the front of it. So it says it contains 78 cards. Of course, it is tarot deck. And then it has a 52-page guidebook. This is published by US Games, and it says the 78 card tarot deck was created to remind us of our connection to the cosmos. The illustrations have been beautifully rendered by famed Argentinian artist Napo, who is known for his colorful and distinctive style. So, like usual, when I do, sorry, my phone keeps having notifications. Looks like it was like Dunkin'. I'm like, ooh, coffee does sound good. But when I get tarot decks in my boxes, I do the general like box unboxing here, but then I'll do a full deck flip through on my other channel, Kitty Outside the Box, which is primarily tarot content. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I will link it down below, and I'll link the video. I'm going to do a video at the same exact time I published this one. That will go live. You can go through every 78 cards with me for first impressions, but we'll take a look now at a few. Let me get this plastic off. I can do this. Sorry. Things like that seem to be so much harder to open when you're like filming. So here's the guidebook that comes with it, a little white guidebook. So we'll do the unboxing and flip through, and then we'll shuffle and draw a card for the collective and take a look at this, just in case you haven't seen any of my deck flip throughs. So this is what the back looks like. Simple but cute, and I like that you can read reversals. Looks the same both ways. So yeah, I like that color blue. And then let's take a look at a few cards. So this was on the back of the box, the Fool. So it's similar to RWS, the Rider-Waite-Smith, but it has its own twist. Like, this is so quirky. It has a big Uranus sign there and this gator. There was a gator on the Fool card in the one other deck I have. And it really like caught my eye and made me remember that, like Sun and Moon Tarot or something, Tarot of the Sun and Moon. Wow, they are very colorful. The Magus El Magio, is that what it says? Miago? Look how much color and detail are on these cards. I'm really excited. Priestess. So are these, is that Spanish or Portuguese on the bottom? Because I know Argentinians, they speak Portuguese, right? So I'm gonna learn something. I do like his art, Napo. I mean, their art, I don't know if it's a he or she, I just assume that. Really cool. So I'm stoked to go through this card by card. Let's just look at a random one. Every single card. Oh, look, that one has keywords. Peace. Sorrow. Oh, is this kind of, what's the word I'm looking for? Kind of thought-based? There's keywords on these. Like the Four of Coins is power. Ooh, okay. Success. We're going to go through this all card by card, and I am so excited. I'm going to film that right after this. So the deck, I'm not sure how much this retails for. I will look up the information and have it in the unboxing video, or this is an unboxing video, the deck flip through first impression videos. You guys, this is technically first impressions. I think this looks so fun. I'm excited to look at this more. So yay, got a deck. And if you guys were curious, Awakening in a Box offers other subscriptions as well. Like they have one where you can get a tarot and an oracle deck every month, and then other goodies. And then or you could just get the oracle deck, or they have a crystal subscription. So I've gotten the crystal one before. I think it'd be awesome to get the oracle and the tarot, but it's a little more expensive each month. I think I did try that at least once though, so that's really cool. So yeah, just so you know, when I link them down below, you should be able to easily see those other selections if you're interested. But now let's look at the little crystal we got, and it's a little pyramid. It's an amethyst pyramid. I love, excuse me. Excuse my French. I dropped it, but it's all good. Oh my God, did I crack it a little bit? It's okay, that happens. I think it's just fine. Crystals can have imperfections. Oops. Amethyst affirmation. I love this. So they have a card with the affirmation and some more information about the crystal and even what chakras and zodiac signs it works well with. So the affirmation is, I welcome the rebirth of new things and keep an open mind to new opportunities. I love that. I love affirmations. Amethyst is a powerful and protective crystal, a natural stress reliever. Amethyst encourages and supports inner strength. The strong healing energy of amethyst can transmute lower vibrations to higher frequencies, transforming negative energy to love energy, to connect the physical plane with the higher realm, making it a good choice when working with the third eye chakra. It provides a wonderful, peaceful energy for meditations and helps with developing intuition and psychic abilities. Amethyst opens and activates the crown chakra, allowing easier access to the divine. Working with amethyst can enhance spiritual awareness and spiritual wisdom, promoting a higher state of consciousness. Yeah, amethyst is all around a great crystal with so many properties. Like, never mad about getting more amethyst. Am I ever mad about getting any crystal that I already have? No. This is the only pyramid I have. So this aligns with the crown and the third chakra and the zodiac signs Aquarius, Capricorn, Pisces, and Virgo. And we're in Aquarius season now. Nice. Awesome. Excited about that. I mean, it's a bummer I dropped it, but it's all good. It happens. And next up we have a little candle by Lit Rituals, Icy Glow, Clove and Eucalyptus Soy Blend Candle. I might have gotten this in, because you know this is the best of. Since I did subscribe to this before and now I resubscribed, I'm glad I didn't get a repeat tarot deck, but I'm so cool with getting a repeat candle. Oh my God, it smells so good. And look, it has a little crystal on it. Yeah. Double wick. Soy candle. Oh my God, what is it? Clove and eucalyptus. What a lovely combination. It smells like more like clove maybe, but it smells really good. So are those little crystals on it? I think so, like little quartz. It seriously smells divine. And I'm not sure if this is the exact one I've got before, but I remember getting a small candle like this. And then last but not least, right, last item in here, we have Gentle Protection Aura Spray. Ooh, and there's crystal in it. I'm gonna have to look on their website to see what the ingredients are. I'm just curious, but looks like there's some rose quartz in there. Let's do a little spray. I love stuff like this, sprays. Nice mist. Protect me. It's not super fragrant. Let me just straight up sniff it. Ooh. It's minty. It smells like eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is really good. This, like, compared to the candle, this definitely smells more like eucalyptus. But eucalyptus is really good at clearing energies. You know how it clears our sinuses and stuff? It also does the same to, like, energies. It smells really good. And I think this is really cute. You can see the moon cycle and some mushrooms. Yeah. Wow, I couldn't smell it at first when I sprayed it in there, but it definitely has a eucalyptus scent, and it's not overwhelming, which is nice. So I'm all about this. And it's gentle. It is gentle. Gentle Protection Aura Spray. Awesome. This is a pretty good size. What is this, like? I don't know. I'm not going to guess the ounces. I have no idea. But that was everything, you guys. So, of course, the star of the show is a tarot deck. It's a Mystic Tarot box. Napo Tarot. I can't wait to do a flip through of this. Definitely check that out. Video link will be in the description box if you want to watch that next. And see every card and my thoughts, and you can share your thoughts in the comments too. Get the candle of this and a crystal. I love this. I mean, like, let's get real. I freaking love the tarot. I'm like a professional tarot reader now. I love it so much. It's a big part of my life, and I love crystals and all of this stuff. Candles, yes, yes, yes. So I really enjoyed this. Let me know your thoughts down below. Again, I will link. Sorry, my mom's texting me now. I'm just so popular. I'm just kidding. But I'll link the box down below, the video, and all that. But let me know your thoughts. I love you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment. And yeah, I love you so much. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Remember, practice some self-love today, no matter what day you're watching this, even if it isn't Valentine's Day, because you deserve it. Bye. I love you.